What is 25% of 88? So let's just reduce all the noise from the question and just write down the important bit of information. So this is what is given to us: 25% of 88, whatever that means. Let's convert this into the mathematical language. What that means is we don't use of. What do we use in place of of? This of is replaced by the multiplication sign. So whenever a question tells you to do this, what it really means is that we need to multiply both of these quantities that are given to us. So this is one way of writing it down, but there's also another way of writing this down. 25% is the same as 25 over 100. If you remember, we have covered this in a lot of detail in one of our earlier assessments. So 25 over 100 multiplied by 88. So we can either write this or we can write this. Now there's also one other way of writing 25 over 100 multiplied by 88, which is 0.25 multiplied by 88. Again, a reference from one of our earlier assessments, but we don't need this at the moment. We're not concerned with this form, so I'll just rub it off and we'll move on to solving this question, and we'll see what we get as an answer. So 25 over 100 multiplied by 88. Now what this really means is that this 88 right here is an amount, can be anything at all, and 25%, as we saw, is a fraction. A percentage is technically a fraction with a denominator that is 100 in all cases. So 25% is basically a fraction, and we're required to find this specific fraction of the amount that is given to us. Now 25 over 100 multiplied by 88. Now in order to solve this, let's cancel these out with 2. So 2 multiplied by 44 gives us 88, and 2 multiplied by 50 gives us 100. Now we can cancel this out by 5. So 5 tens are 50 and 5 fives are 25. We can cancel these two out again by 2. So 2 fives are 10 and 2 22 is 42. Now what we're left with is 5 over 5 multiplied by 22. 5 over 5 is exactly the same as 1. We cancel both of them out, so we are left with 1 multiplied by 22, which means 22 is our answer. So 25% of 88 is 22.